Right, guys and girls, we're on the next phase now of the police car. As you can see, there it is in all its glory. So as you can see on the bench there, Mike, it's Scorpion, as you can see. This is the non-res section. You've got your valve control in the back, one of the pipes there. And we've gone for, this is the Ascari carbon trims, which are pretty cool. One of my favourites. There's lots of options, you know, you've got the ceramic and polish, but we've gone for that on this application. As you can see, it's completely stock under the bonnet. The car is completely stock. Well, it was until we started fiddling around with it with the brakes and all that sort of stuff. We're underneath the police car. Look, you see, there's the original rear silencer and tailpipes as it is. As you can see, look, so there's your exhaust valve control, which is all pretty standard. Still got the standard springs and all that sort of stuff. But if we swoop back, we start from here, look, and then we'll go like glide under, look, and then you can see as I'm going, look, there's the restrictive center part there, look, through the where the prop donut is. All right, so that'll be gone. We'll open that right up so you've got a much better flow. And as we scan up, there's your join there from the original OE cat to the center. Up there, obviously it bends around to the right, and that goes to the turbo. That's the standard OE cat, which is going to be changed for that, which is the sport cat. So you're fully compliant then on the emissions and MOT legislation. Yeah, and all the rest of it, but we'll show you as we go. Battery trays out, down there on the floor, look, with the battery. This is the way that we do it. You need to do, it's easier to do that so you can access the horrible nuts and the studs, which are down here. All right, so you need to get in there. We'll take the lambdas out first. Just makes it a lot easier because when you're getting that down, you're trying to twist it, you got to get it down through that hole down there, through the little tunnel. And you know, you just struggle. You can end up damaging the lambdas or the wiring and all that sort of stuff. So we just take them out, and then when that one there goes in, be a bit easier. It's not so big and bulky, and then fit the lambdas back up. Then what we're going to do in a sec, we'll take the car up in the air, and then we'll just show you, because Mike's took the exhaust off, the standard exhaust off now, and just talk to you a little bit about that. Yeah, so you now join us underside of the Mark III Focus RS police car. As you can see, Mike's dropped down, so this little cross member bit has got to come off anyway, because obviously that supports the mounting for the original cat, as you can see. Then obviously you need to reuse it, same bracket setup on the sport cat. Just thought we'd just talk quickly on about the differences in the cat. Now, that's the original, as you can see. That's what Mike's took off, and it's got the heat shield built into it. As you can see, this is the Scorpion. I think it's a 200 cell high flow sport cat. A lot slimmer. So take the lambs out of that, it's a bit of a pain to twist down and get out. That's going to be a lot easier to get up there. You say, so the gasket, interestingly, so obviously that sits in there like that. It's got the recessed groove in the flange, and then Scorpion are doing the same, which is great. So it keeps it all nice and OE, doesn't it? So, but yeah, so all we're waiting for is a new one of these. Thought I had one, but I haven't. I've only got the ones like for the Miltech fitment, the non-groove in it. Yeah, as soon as we get that, we'll get the Sport Cat up. Interestingly, the studs have stayed in this time, whereas normally they come out. When they come out, you replace the studs and the nut. The studs are good. They've stayed in there. No point in disturbing them. New nuts. Job done.